Can one crack ruin the entire life of your pavement? Don't be in a hurry to spend money on a team of engineers. Today we'll teach you to repair broken pavements as good as new by doing it yourself with Pavement Repair Mortar. All dry, remember to bookmark. Why choose Repair Mortar? Some advantages to conquer you. Repair Mortar is not ordinary cement. It is specially designed for road surface. Some advantages make it become a road doctor. High strength compression. Compressive strength up to C60. The traffic is not afraid. Fast hardening. 2小时 hours can be opened to traffic. The efficiency of crushing. The traditional cement. 3. Strong adhesion. And the old concrete seamless fit. Super bonding. Seamless adhesion with the old concrete. Goodbye to secondary cracking, whether it is cracks, potholes or sanding. A bag of mortar to get it all done. Super detailed construction steps. From cleanup to maintenance. One step at a time. Step E. Substrate preparation. The key to success or failure is here. It must be thoroughly cleaned before refinishing. Use a high-pressure water gun to wash away oil and floating dust, and sand stubborn stains with an angle grinder. Remember, the substrate has to be clean, rough and free of open water in order to stick. Tip oil-stained areas need to be manually chiseled and then treated with a rust inhibitor to treat steel rust. Step R. Mixing mortar golden ratio加 maneuvers. The ratio of water and powder is strictly according to the instructions. For example, 1.16 分 for Zibo building materials. Add water first before pouring the powder, and stir with an electric mixer for 3到5分钟 use until there are no particles and no lumps. Remember, use it up within 30分钟 use or it will harden. Pit avoidance. Overmixing will mix in air, bubbles and affect strength. Step 3. Filling construction. Stronger caulking in layers. Apply directly to small cracks and fill large potholes with coarse aggregate. Before spreading mortar. Scraper compaction. The thickness of more than 50 毫米 to be treated in layers. Each layer interval of 24 小时 hours. Key point. Don't exceed 10 square meters in one construction area to prevent shrinkage and cracking. Tips. Chisel out the edge of the V-shaped groove. More durable after repair. Step 4. Smoothing and maintenance. Details determine longevity. Quickly smooth the mortar before it first sets, avoiding repeated pressing. Immediately after the completion of the wet cloth, spray water maintenance at least 7 days or hours after the people can walk, but heavy traffic to wait for. The strength of the standard wet construction of the base surface. Mortar can stick and fall off directly. Adding too much water strength plumb met sand turns into tofu dregs. Neglecting expansion joints secondary cracking after thermal expansion and contraction. Maintenance laziness surface cracking. Foregone. Rainy day construction material washed away directly to the white. Want the patch to be unmarked? Try this trick. Color matching. Add mineral pigments to make the mortar color close to the original pavement. Embossing treatment. Use a brush or stencil to emboss a similar texture before hardening. Overall sanding. Lightly sand with sandpaper after maintenance to eliminate joint fallout. After watching the video, it's not think repair road is not so difficult. Hurry up and like the collection. Next time the road is broken down, spend a fortune. Keep an eye on the channel for the next installment that will teach you how to transform an old garage for 10美元. See you next time.